Hello, guys. So, more than often, I've been asked about the insurance policies around the home loan. So, whenever you buy a property and you take a home loan along with it, the bank will ask you for an insurance. So, there are two kinds of insurance, one is a property insurance, one is a life insurance. So, property insurance basically covers the incidents which can happen with the property, not the life. And the life insurance basically covers what can happen to the life who has taken the loan. So, for example, you are going for the life insurance around a loan, which means something happens to you during the period of the loan. The loan covers the life insurance policy covers the loan outstanding. Now there are different products around it. There are some policies which covers, suppose you have taken a 2 crore loan and 2 crore is the sum assured, and anything happens to you during the tenure of the loan, suppose 5 years later something happens to you and 1.5 crore is the loan outstanding, so the insurance company will pay back that 1.5 crore to the bank, and the remaining 50 lakhs will be paid back to the nominee. There are some policies which only covers the outstanding of the loan, which says ki 1.5 will be paid back to the bank but nothing to the nominee. And there's a policy which says, suppose 3 years later you end up selling the property, then what to do with the loan insurance, right? Doesn't make any sense then. So they have surrender values also, which means 3 years later, if you're selling the property, there's a certain surrender value of the policy. You get that surrender value back, basically, which means whatever premium you have paid, a portion of that is basically paid back to you. Now, this premium of the insurance is typically financed by the bank, so they give you a separate loan for that as well. And it is a one-time payment, not an annual payment like your term policy or other policies. There's a fixed premium amount, which is for the tenure of the loan, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, you can choose that. And as per that, the premium will vary. And obviously, your health conditions will be accounted for that as well. So, choose a policy very wisely, understand the terms and conditions, understand the riders, understand whether the product is suitable as per your objective or not. And then there is property insurance. Basically, what property insurance does is anything happens to your property in terms of fire or theft or any components of the property getting damaged, not due to an act of God like a terrorist, like a earthquake. All these things are not captured. So understand again, when you're buying a property insurance, what are the things which are covered within the policy, and accordingly you should go for either a property insurance or life insurance, whatever is your need. Now, both the products are not mandatory. Okay. Life insurance is definitely not mandatory. Property insurance, RBI instructs the bank that it's good for the banks to have a property insurance around every loan that they're giving, but it's not mandatory. However, most of the banks, apart from a couple of them, mandate it. So you can discuss with your bank, or you can buy it from outside also, compare the premiums and then buy it. However, it's good for you. You should always compare the products and then choose what to buy. So that's about insurance. There are more details on it. You can always reach out to me. I'm there on YouTube. I'm there on LinkedIn. I'm there on Instagram as the Piyush the Mortgage Guy. You can reach out to me and ask me any questions around it. I'll be very happy to answer you. Thank you so much.